This is Karen Ranzi, vegan health coach since 1998 and director of the Vegan Coaching Certification course. Today I'm going to continue talking with you about another delicious raw vegan recipe for beginners. So these recipes are for newbies, but anybody will love them. They are just delicious. In my last video on raw vegan recipes for beginners, I prepared for you the 2-ingredient plantain pancakes. Today we have 4 ingredients and it's still super easy, and this is a delicious sauce that I also use as a dressing, and it is my No Bean Hummus. So if you take a look over here at the ingredients, sometimes I only use zucchini, 2 cups of zucchini, but here I have a zucchini and a yellow squash. So I will be peeling them and I will be filling up my 2-cup measuring cup. Then I'll also be using a 1/2 cup of whole sesame seeds and another 1/2 cup of juice from a lemon. This is a very large lemon. This may give me the 1/2 cup that I need. And I'll also be putting in 1 clove of garlic. You can use that as optional if you don't want garlic, or you could add more garlic. I'm also going to be adding a teaspoon of sweet paprika. And so those are my ingredients. Next, I'm going to take my zucchini and I'm going to peel it and chop it. I already have peeled and chopped my yellow squash. I do want it to look like hummus. That's why I am peeling the zucchini. The next step, I am going to slice it lengthwise, and I am very coarsely going to chop it because it's all going into my blender. I have my 2 cups of zucchini and squash and peeled and chopped. I am going to pour it into the blender. I have also measured out a 1/2 cup of sesame seeds, whole sesame seeds. I'm going to pour that. I have my lemon. If you have a good lemon, it should have plenty of seeds in it. Take out the seeds. I am going to use my wooden reamer, which makes it faster than a citrus juicer. I'm going to squeeze the lemon juice right into a bowl. I am going to pour my lemon juice into the blender. Got a nice amount of lemon juice. If you want to be exact, I usually just improvise, but if you want to be exact, you could put in 1 teaspoon of paprika. So there we go. 1 clove of garlic. I'm just going to chop it in half, and I'm going to put that in the blender. And now I'm going to blend the ingredients for the No Bean Hummus. Here we go. And so I used my tamper to push it down and get it moving. And now a perfect hummus. No bean hummus. Very easy to digest and delicious. Into a pretty bowl. And I am going to use my spatula to bring in more. Now I'm going to top it off by sprinkling some paprika on top to give it some contrast in color. And there we go. And here's my No Bean Hummus. These recipes are in my Raw Vegan Recipe Fun for Families. It's 115 easy recipes and health tips for energetic living. For individualized and group plant-powered health coaching, there's also a link below where you can sign up for a free chat with me. I want to thank you so much for being with me on this video, and join me on the next video when I will be preparing a super easy dessert or treat recipe for beginners. I'll look forward to seeing you in that video.